Hello, and welcome to this Mobility Express video going over a Ford Transit full-size wheelchair van equipped with the AbiliTrax Shift-N-Step system. The AbiliTrax Shift-N-Step is a revolutionary system that allows a full-size wheelchair van to be converted to a wheelchair-accessible shuttle bus without the need for structural modifications. This allows for quick, easy access for both ambulatory and wheelchair-bound passengers. Once the lift has been shifted to the correct position, the platform can be lowered to the ground for loading. The loading process is the same as it would be for any side door mounted dual post platform lift in a full-size van. Once the wheelchair user is safely loaded into the vehicle and the lift platform is in the stowed position, now comes the time for the incredible disappearing lift. With the press of a button, the entire lift assembly shifts toward the rear of the vehicle. This allows ambulatory passengers to step into the van, hence the name Shift-N-Step. Be sure to subscribe to the Mobility Express channel and check back regularly for more videos focused on wheelchair accessible vehicles. Thanks for watching.